In 2022, while exploring an abandoned monument in Croatia, I thought I had run into security. Instead, it turned out to be two girls who were there for the exact same reason, and I ended up becoming friends with one of them. Fast forward 2 years, in early 2024, she came to visit me in Belgium, and together we explored some of the local abandoned places. First up was an abandoned leisure centre. Built in the 1970s, this was once a lively holiday centre with a restaurant, a pool and camping grounds along the river. After years of financial trouble and declining maintenance, unfortunately the site was abandoned around 2010. Several redevelopment plans were announced but never completed, leaving the entire complex to decay. And unfortunately, just 2 months after our visit, a major fire destroyed much of the remaining structure.
Well, so far the place looks completely trashed, but I do know there's a playground inside, which, would be quite cool. But I don't know if there's an alarm still. My friend is already in here. I'm guessing there's no way up, considering it's a makeshift ladder. That's a swimming pool. The outdoor swimming pool. It's quite impressive. Must have been a pretty place back in the day. So my friend is going to explore downstairs. She's going to try and find a way in downstairs, but I'm upstairs, so I'm going to try and find, there's literally a door here, but I'm going to check the inside and hopefully there's no fucking alarm or something. It's like I told my friend, I wouldn't be surprised if this place has one. Even though it looks like shit. But so far, so good. Oh, well, I see that right there used to be an alarm. See, I'm always skeptical for these kind of sensors, even though obviously it's completely trashed, but I'm still just gonna walk in and see if anything goes off. But so far so good. Shit. Yeah, this place looks like shit. But there's the playground. Alright, so I decided to switch to my GoPro because my camera is acting a little bit weird, but this right here is the playground. The kid version of me would have absolutely loved this place. I mean, I still love it, but still. It even has a stick. It's got a fucking stick. Guys always appreciate a good stick. It's got a hole to lose your hand in. That's cool. Oh, lean on the right. I can't really hold it, but you should be fine if you lean on the right. There you go. Got it. Look at that. Amazing. I think this is a big playground, man. It's a big playground, but it's I'm getting too tall for these things. But it's still a lot of fun. So Lexi.
Yes.
Where is she? Where are you?
She hiding.
Is she hiding? Oh, she's somewhere down there. There she go. She just took the side. Right over there. I'm gonna take the slide, I guess. Is it still sturdy though? Oh, it is. I'm gonna set my backpack down first. Catch it. I feel like this is a really slow slide.
I mean, rucksack can stop, not quite at the bottom.
Imagine this thing just crashing. Yeah, I'm too big. That was a lot more anticlimactic than what I thought it was going to be.
I'm going to coming out and then going.
Jesus Christ. This is like The Last of Us where you get fucked by some rat king boss. The swimming pool is quite big, to be honest.
Might be quite deep too.
Go for it. Jump in it.
Imagine if I actually had to swim.
I mean, would have loved that. Would have made a good video. That's the infirmary. If you get hit by something. This sign says there's a playground, it's mini golf, trampolines, and my French is failing me for something with cars. So yeah, let's go down the very accessible road.
Seeing that there was absolutely nothing left at the leisure centre, we moved on to our next location, a beautiful castle located in the countryside of Belgium. Not much is known about this place, except that it was devastated by a massive fire in 2019, presumably caused by squatters. We approached the castle through the woods, and soon its silhouette began to appear between the trees. As we got closer, its size and presence really hit us. It was bigger and more imposing than we had imagined. Nature had begun reclaiming the ruins, making the place feel like something straight out of Uncharted or The Last of Us. Inside, the fire damage was immediately obvious. Most of the rooms were destroyed and multiple floors had collapsed. Yet, the most striking feature remained, the main staircase. Everything else around it was reduced to rubble, but these stairs still looked almost untouched. Right next to them was an elevator shaft, surprisingly intact despite the devastation. Moving on, we found a fireplace, which must have looked amazing back in the day. The kitchen was very outdated, but had some pretty cool ovens, with different temperatures written depending on which meat was being cooked. When we went outside, we also noticed the huge pool, or possible pond, right in front of the castle. Back in the day, this castle must have been stunning. Anyway, we left the castle and moved on to our final location, a massive helicopter, the MIL Mi-26. This Soviet transport helicopter is the largest production line helicopter in the world. It could carry up to 90 troops or 2 small vehicles with a maximum payload of 20 tons. Measuring 40 meters long, about 8 meters high, and with a rotor diameter of 32 meters, it is truly enormous. Just look at how tiny Lexi looks walking next to it. Inside it was operated by a crew of 5, 2 pilots, a navigator, a flight engineer and a flight technician. And that concludes today's video. It was a bit different than usual, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Make sure to check out my next videos, where I embark on another urbex road trip through the Netherlands, Germany, Poland, Slovakia and Hungary. That's it for today. See you in the next one, where I'll be exploring an abandoned monastery. Bye bye.